Alright, here we are in the shed. Just doing got 12 months, but it's not 12 months, more. The maintenance on the old Coleman 502, which you've seen before. What is it? 965. I'll hold that there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it says. Right. You're gonna just pump, put a bit of oil in there. Take this clip off first. Pull it out. There you go. Right. Oh, it's a little bit dry. Not bad. We'll work it out here a bit. Just got to muscle it. Cup it out. There's a squeaky chair. Just put a couple of drops of this 3-in-1 oil. Just put a little bit on there, and then soak it. It's still pretty moist. Put it back in. And take this. A lot easier to put back like that. And let's get some oil all over our hands. Get that back in there nice. Don't force it. Don't force it. Alright. Here we go. Ooh. Feels alright. Alright. Line the little holes up. Just a little clippy clip back on. Line the hole. Alright, come on. Now, what we have to do is get the other end in. I can see, but you can't. Ah, there you go. Alright, do this test. Oh yeah, alright, that's pumping up good. We've got a little bit of fuel in here, not much. Alright, that's part one. Part one of that. Right, now the next thing, this is not jamming, but I can feel it. It's not smooth. And it's been playing up a little bit where it's not working when it should. We'll fire it up and see how it goes. Not quickly, I don't want to heat it up. Yeah. There. Play around with it, now it'll go. See, it wasn't doing that. Quickly turn it off. I don't want it to warm up. Alright. Alright, we've got to clean the generator. Now for the dirty. It'll be hot. Alright, now what's the thing? Yep. Well, I need to let this cool down. Right, I'll let it cool down. Right, we're back. It's half an hour later. I just searched the floor for that screw that dropped on the ground. Anyway, I found it. So it's all cooled. I'll take that off. Right. Now I have to clean this generator. So I'll get this on here. Please just to loosen that off before you take it out. Otherwise it can be a bit of a bugger. So 7/16 and a ½ inch. This one. Not too tight. I need to loosen that one off. Now, need to pull this down a little bit here. Try to. Not moving too much. There you go. Tap, eh? Oh, that did it. Slight tap. Right, now we've got the generator. Undo this. Undo the nut. Take that off there. Bit of wipe. Not doing anything else there. Oh, look at that needle. That's filthy. And the spring doesn't want to come out. Heard this before. Screw in the generator in the spring. Pull that out. All of this is because I've been using it for the last couple of years. Just with petrol. Petrol, just normal, unleaded. Let's clean this needle up. Get this thing right away. That's filthy. Watch that little needle at the end. Now I'll rest that. That's pretty good. Get all these deposits off. That looks nice and shiny. That's bring a bit of this spring up. Whoa. Oh, try not to leave still on there. That's pretty good. All right. And there's a little, which I should have done. It's a bit bent. Yeah, that's going to work. Right. A little bit bent. Get it in there. Hopefully this will. All right. Now we'll just put it back together and set that little notch there. Then tighten her up. I think that's a little bent. I'll just tighten this up a little bit. Tighten up the rest when I get it all back in. It feels a lot better than what it was. Get the top bit in there. Now, so just put this little nut back on first. Make sure that's all the way in. Get our 1/2 inch spanner, tighten her up. Oh, stuck on the magnet. Alright. There we go. Tighten everything up. It should be back. Almost brand new. Don't have to over tighten anything, but needs to be tight. Alright. Put our grate back on. Probably should test it first, but I'm going to put the grate back on. Pretty confident. Try not to drop these screws again. I think that was the hardest part. Trying to find them again. I haven't tightened them up yet until I get all 3 in. Not over tightened again. Firm. Pump it up. We'll call it done. Once the tests are right. Okay, pump it up again. not much fuel in here, so a few extra pumps. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.